So this is my new phone. I'm gonna unbox it. So this is look at the color. So nice. This is cosmic orange. Love this color. I really love this color. And it comes with charger. Okay. This is the one. Color is really nice. This is the one I'm gonna do this. Look at it. And look at the color. And this looks different. A little different than the iPhone 16 Pro. So I really love the color. Looks like this. And this is 17 Pro because Pro Max is a little bit bigger, and this is like perfect for your, my hand is small, so I like to hold like this, so it looks really nice. Yes guys, I'm so happy with this one. Let me just, okay. And it comes with this charger, and this is the box. Okay, English. So this is the medium, I guess. Okay guys, so this is the one. Now I'm gonna connect this two phone, like I'm gonna you like I'm gonna transfer all my data from this iPhone 16 Pro to iPhone 17 Pro. So yes, so bye bye. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I'm recording from this my new phone, iPhone 17 Pro. So yes, the quality is a little different from iPhone 16 Pro. So yes, so this is the quality, and you can just do the double something with. So you in this iPhone 17 Pro, you can capture a dual video. Like you can see me here, and you can see me holding my phone. So this is the cover I bought from Amazon. So yes, this is fun. So yes guys, so thank you guys for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.